Islamic banking started in 1975. It started in Dubai as a concept which was based on participation. It was based on partnership. It was a pioneering innovation within the financial services industry, right? Nobody even heard about Islamic banking. Today, you've got sovereigns from non-Islamic states, even in the capital markets, whether it's Luxembourg, whether it is Hong Kong or South Africa or whatever. Yeah. But back then, it was a concept that was unheard of. It was a concept that came out of a book, right? But today, with non-Islamic markets actually adopting that concepts, they have not changed their legislation. They have not changed, their way of their fiscal policies or their monetary policies. But what they've done is they want to probe into the idea of Islamic finance. Islamic finance has become globally recognized. It's not a global brand yet, but it has become globally recognized. Today, everybody in the world, no matter whether you're in Far East or you're in Africa or you're in the West, you have heard about Islamic banking. Now, these countries don't have an Islamic bank operating in, right? So you don't have brands that go there and set up shop. But what has happened is the concept has become so strong and universal that it has become globally recognized. I want Dubai Islamic Bank to become globally recognized so that when anybody talks about Islamic finance, anywhere in the world, they say, you know what, let's talk to Dubai Islamic Bank. We may not be having operations on the ground in a particular country, but we should still have that one phone call because we are a globally recognized bank. And I would say in the last 10 years or so, Dubai Islamic Bank per se has become globally recognized more than ever before, even though it started its operation in 1975. And the reason to do that is because we've pioneered innovation in a lot of areas. You know, we keep talking about sukuks and capital market bonds, Islamic bonds, and so on and so forth. Where did this all start from? It started at Dubai Islamic Bank, right? It started 15 years ago. The first sukuk that was actually done was done for one of the corporates within Dubai. Today, that has become a universally accepted phenomena, even though we have not been operating in the countries that are issuing these Islamic bonds. So I think one of the key aspects would be pioneering innovation, which we've done. And we continue to do that as we speak. We maybe don't boast of it as much as we should do. But for example, profit rate swaps today or Islamic derivatives that we talk about are concepts that were homegrown within Dubai Islamic Bank, right? And I think being the first Islamic bank in the world, we have that responsibility to make sure that we continue that innovation. The second aspect that would make us a globally recognized brand would be technology. We've got to make sure that technology now plays a part in making sure that Islamic finance reaches areas and pockets that it did not reach before. Whether it is microfinance or it is microcredit, as you refer to, and going into a lot of areas of developing nations. Would not be possible by your brick and mortar models anymore. It would only be possible if you have technology. Everybody in the world today has a mobile and a SIM. So I think using that platform, you can take Islamic finance to greater levels and make it a more globally recognizable.